Today we're visiting one of the iconic cathedrals of Granada, one of the oldest and most beautiful colonial landmarks in Central America. We're going to explore the history of Granada's favorite and famous yellow cathedral, what to expect inside, and the cost to climb to the rooftop. Granada itself was founded in 1524 by Spanish conquistador Francisco Hernandez de Córdoba, making it one of the oldest European established cities in mainland America. The first church on this site was built shortly after the city's founding in the 1500s. Because Granada was a wealthy colonial city due to trade routes via Lake Nicaragua, it became a target for pirates and foreign invaders. During the 17th century, pirates entered Lake Nicaragua through the San Juan River from the Caribbean Sea. Granada was attacked multiple times. Churches, including the early cathedral structure, were burnt or heavily damaged during these raids. This cathedral building was reconstructed in the early 20th century and completed around 1915. Its bright yellow facade became iconic and is now one of the most photographed landmarks in Nicaragua. The cathedral combines colonial influence and Spanish religious design. So what can you expect when visiting? The obvious big yellow colonial facade, peaceful interior with religious artwork, high ceilings, classic colonial architecture, and there's a small entrance fee to climb to the rooftop. The highlight, climbing the narrow staircase to the bell tower for panoramic view is the best. You get to see Granada's Central Park, the colorful colonial rooftops, Lake Nicaragua in the distance, Mombacho Volcano on a clear day. From the top, you can see the entire city spread out below you. It's one of the best photo spots in Granada. So what's the cost to climb the bell tower? Entrance to the cathedral is free. However, the rooftop bell tower access is approximately $1 to $2, which is always subject to change. So make sure to bring small cash in Cordobas or US dollars. Granada and León, another major city, had strong political rivalries, and Granada was repeatedly caught in power struggles. In 1856, an American adventurer, William Walker, and his force burned much of Granada. The city was nearly destroyed and the cathedral suffered again. Historically, the bells were used to call residents to mass, announce emergencies, and mark important civic events. So when is the best time to visit? In the mornings from 8 to 10 a.m., there's cooler temperatures, fewer tourists, clearer lighting for photos. And in the late afternoon, around 4:30 to 5:30 p.m., golden hour lighting. Beautiful shadows over the park. Avoid midday heat if possible. The rooftop gets very warm. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes because of the narrow stairs. Bring water, especially midday. Respect dress code. Modest clothing is recommended. Hold your phone carefully near the edge. Don't rush. Take your time. Enjoy the view. Keep in mind to check the rooftop access because sometimes it is closed for events or weather. The cathedral is dedicated to the Virgin of Our Lady of the Assumption, a major figure in Catholic tradition. It serves as the spiritual center of Granada, a site for major religious celebrations, a location for weddings, baptisms, and festivals. During religious holidays, the cathedral becomes the heart of processions and community gatherings. So why is it so important to Granada? The cathedral is more than just a church. It represents the resiliency of Granada, the city's colonial past, the survival through pirates and war, and it's the heart of local identity. It has been destroyed, rebuilt, attacked, and restored, yet it still stands as a symbol of Granada.